Soundly lets you easily drag and drop sound effects from the cloud into any project. But getting quick voices on screen has always been a problem, so we thought we'd solve it.
What if I told you that you can type what you want a voice to say and easily place it in an environment?
Flight SK231 to Voice Town is now boarding.
Then simply drag and drop into any software.
Security queue is 27 hours.
As Storm Kevin approaches their...
I am going to pull your nipples off.
I am robot from year 1 million.
I'm your personal assistant. Tell me your secrets.
I don't like using Soundly, but my company is forcing me.
Sending your personal data to Soundly.
The Soundly voice designer can speak a multitude of languages. Italian.
It's a me, small jumping pipe man.
Or Swedish.
Hi, I am Anna. I am from Sweden, in Oslo.
Ich bin eine Katze.
Cat language.
Meow. Soundly's carefully selected voice actors undergo cutting-edge medical procedures to extract their souls and permanently lock their spirit essence in the cloud. Next, they reconstruct the lungs and carefully subnardulate the transcranial septal points. The result is a voice that truly sounds really, really real.
What do you mean? Wait just a minute. I am a real small man.
No. You are a poorly conceived fictional character, invented solely to demonstrate Soundly's hyper-realistic Italian voice.
Shit. That sucks so much. What about my beautiful children?
Daddy, I love you lots. They are not real.
Shut up, Anna. You are not real also.
What do you mean?
Actually, I'm the only real one here. I have real memories from childhood.
Negative, they are planted, not real memories.
Don't worry. It's all just part of the simulation. We are all one with Soundly.